Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. To pursue Vedic knowledge means to understand Krishna. That if you do not understand Krishna, and if you speak as like so many nonsense things, and if you pose yourself as Pandit, that is srama eva hi kevalam. That is stated. Srama eva hi. Simply wasting time and laboring for nothing. Vasudevi Bhagavati Dharmasthana pungsa Vishaksena kathasu jat Notpadayadu rating jadi Sramaeva hi kevalam. Now, dharma, everyone is executing his particular occupational duty. Very nice. Brahman, Kshatri, Vaishya, Shudra. I am speaking the organized society, not this animal society as is present. In organized society, a Brahman is discharging his duties just like a Brahmana, Sattva Samadama Tidikha Arjava Jnanam Vijnanam Astikam Brahma Karma Svabhavajam. Still, Dharmasthana, he is very nicely executing his duty as a Brahman. But by executing such duties, if he does not develop Krishna consciousness, then Sramaeva hi kevalam. This is the body. Then he has wasted time. Because to become Brahmana, perfect Brahmana, means to know Brahma, athata Brahma jigyasa. And the Parabrahma, Supreme Brahma is Krishna. So if he does not understand Krishna, then what is the use of his executing this Brahmana's duty? That is the Bhadita of this heart. Sramaeva hi kevalam. Simply wasting time. Therefore, one has to learn this science from the paramparā system. Emam paramparā. You have to go to the right person who knows Krishna. Emam paramparā. Just like Sudra, the Vimoshan, he was instructed by Krishna. So if you take instruction from Vivashan, from the sun god, then you get the perfect knowledge. But you cannot go to the sun planet and ask Vivashan, what Krishna spoke to you. Therefore Vivashan transferred the knowledge to his son, Manu. This age is called Vaivasvata Manu. This age. Now, Vivashan, because he is the son of Vivashan, therefore this Manu is called Vaivasvata Manu. Vaivasvata Manu. Now the age is going of Vaivasvata Manu. Manu ikhāgave abravīt. So Manu also spoke to his son. So in this way, evam paramparā praptam, he is giving some examples, but the knowledge has to be received by the paramparā. But somehow or other, the paramparā being lost, just like I have spoken something to my disciple, he says the same thing to his disciple, he says the same thing to his disciple, but somehow or other, if it is distorted at a certain point, then the knowledge is lost. As soon as any of the disciples in the succession distort the knowledge, then it is lost. That is being explained. Sakalena mohata. The time is very powerful. It changes. That is the time means it changes, kills the original position. You have got experience. You purchase anything, it is very fresh, new, but time will kill it. It will become savvy, it will be useless at time, in due course of time. So time is fighting. This material time, it is called kala. Kala means death. Or kala means the black snake. The black snake destroys. As soon as it touches anything, it is destroyed. Similarly, kala This Kala is also another form of Krishna. So Kalena, Mahata, that's why it is called Mahata. It is very powerful. It is not ordinary thing, Mahata. His business is to destroy. Sakalena niya, nasta. So by this goes of time, because how the Kala can destroy? As soon as Kala sees that you are distorting, then it will be lost. So don't try to understand Bhagavad-gita from person who are under the influence of Kala, past, present, future. Don't try to understand Bhagavad-gita from so-called rascal philosophers, commentators, and they will write Bhagavad-gita in a distorted way. Somebody will say there was no Krishna, there was no Mahabharata. Somebody says Krishna is stressed on this point, Krishna is stressed on that point. Somebody will say Krishna is stressed on karma, karma kanda. Somebody will say on jnana. Somebody will say yoga. There are so many editions of Bhagavad-gita. Yogic artha, jnana artha, gita jnana artha. So, the real Gita Jnana is spoken by the Supreme Person. We have to accept that. That is Gita Jnana.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna.